everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Happy Wig Wednesday. My name is Aisha and I have another wig video for you guys today. I have had COVID the past week and I'm just starting to recover, but my body is still a little weak, but I had to get back to work, so I'm just trying to tough it out and do these videos. So forgive me if I'm not energetic or anything right now. I'm just trying to get this video posted and done. So today's wig is from Outre yet again, and this is a part of their perfect hairline collection. This is in the style Moniece and she's 24 inches and I got her in the color DFRR2 dark honey melt. She also comes in a bunch of other colors such as strawberry gold, cherry red, ginger spice, soft blonde, so on and so forth as usual. Out of the package, I'm just gonna slap her on. I'm sorry, I'm winded and out of breath. I'm just gonna put her on and yeah, get right back to you guys. Okay, so this is what she looks like on. This is actually super cute. The hair is also soft. It's a little thicker. The texture feels a bit, texture is also thicker than most of the wigs that I feel, but I really like the color. I'm enjoying the soft blonde. This is perfect for summer, fall, winter, honestly any season. This little blonde highlight movement. But as always, thank you guys for watching. I'm so sorry this video was so short. I just y'all, it's been a rough week. That's all I gotta say, but as always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in for next time's video, and yeah.